Hey guys, today I am selling a NordicTrack treadmill and I'm going to walk you through it, show you that everything on it works perfect, just like I do in every video of everything that I sell. Let me just do kind of a walk around. There's some information down here. You'll be able to pause and grab that information if you want it. Let's see. It's model number T6.5Z. And there's a longer model number there if you actually wanted to look it up. And you get it to drop down by pushing this in with your foot. And then it drops down. Takes a second. You don't want to force that down. Okay. Now we can step up on it. You've got your emergency switch here that you clip to you. And you've got tons of different options here. It's this iFit compatible. However, if you just want to set it and go, you can do that as well. It's kind of what I do. You've got incline here, start, stop, and here's where you adjust your speed. So we're just going to hit start and show you that everything on it works perfect. Starting to move here. Okay, of course you can adjust your speed. Goes pretty fast. I'm obviously not going to be running trying to do this video, but just give you an idea that everything's working perfect. And of course the incline works. It's a good incline, and I believe it goes all the way up to 10. Yeah, all the way up to 10. Let me turn that back down. And now I will crank the speed for you, but I'm not going to try to hold this and do that. So. Create a nice and dangerous situation for myself here. Holy crap. You know what, I'm just gonna stop there. I don't really know anybody that runs this fast, but goes super fast. Now I'm curious, let's see, how fast does it go? Obviously I've never had it this fast before. Okay, well, it goes infinitely fast, apparently. Let's turn this back down. Okay, as you can see in here, it sounds great. It's nice and quiet for a treadmill anyway. I'm normally at like between a 4.5 and a 5, so it's kind of just back down to something manageable. Set it on 4. Kind of walk with it again here. Yep, you've got cup holders. You can hook into your phone, and these speakers here work real good. I don't have the cable. I also don't have a phone with a cable spot, so can't show that off, but they do work. Last time I used it. And of course, if you pull this out, everything goes dead and it stops. So, that's it for the video. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch. Now you know everything on it works great. You just grab this one-handed, very easy to lift it up, and it stores nice and neat out of the way. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch my video. Thanks, you guys have a great day.